Gluten is a mixture of proteins found in wheat and some other grains, such as barley and rye. It is composed of two main proteins, gliadin and glutenin. Gluten gives elasticity and structure to dough, helping it rise and maintain its shape. Gluten is responsible for the chewy texture of many baked goods, and it is commonly used in the food industry as a binding agent and flavor enhancer. It can be found in a wide variety of products, including bread, pasta, pastries, cereals, sauces, and processed foods. While gluten is harmless for most people, some individuals have a medical condition called celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten consumption. In people with celiac disease, the immune system reacts to gluten, damaging the lining of the small intestine and leading to various symptoms and long-term health complications. For individuals with celiac disease, a strict gluten-free diet is necessary to manage the condition. There is also a separate condition known as non-celiac gluten sensitivity, where individuals experience similar symptoms to celiac disease but do not have the same autoimmune response or intestinal damage. People with non-celiac gluten sensitivity may choose to avoid gluten to alleviate their symptoms, even though they do not have celiac disease. It's important to note that gluten-free diets are not necessary for individuals who do not have celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity, as gluten itself is not inherently harmful to the general population.